visit our website. Under My Accounts, click Login. Enter your username and password. Click Sign In and you will enter in a dashboard section. Scroll down and click on your plan. Click on Start Learning button. You will get all AI tools on the left. Click on this button to maximize the screen. Click on Doubt Solver AI. Select your board. Then select your class. After that, select your subject. Enter your question. Click on Answer Me button. In some seconds, our AI will answer to your question. Thank you for watching.